Let us now see how to write mathematical expressions in LaTeX. LaTeX allows us to display mathematical expressions in two modes, the inline mode and the display mode. When you use the inline mode, you can display the expression in the same line, while for display mode, you can display it in separate lines. So for example, if I try to display the Fourier series expression, using the method for a generalized Fourier series, the usual sines and cosines is obtained by taking f1 of x is equal to cos x and f2 of x is equal to sin x. Now I want to display these two in line with the text, so I'll use dollar subscript 1 x. Using these delimiters, you can display it in line with the text. Or you can also use parentheses. Another way to display inline is to use begin math function. Now to display the equation in a separate line, we can use the display mode. There are different delimiters for that. For example, you can use begin equation or begin display math. And we need to display f of x is equal to half of a naught half of a subscript 0 half of a naught plus summation an cos nx from n equal to 1 to infinity, summation from n equal to 1 to infinity. Infinity will display the infinity symbol, a subscript n cos nx, summation bn sin nx from n equal to 1 to infinity. We also have three more equations to display. We'll be using different delimiters for that. For example, I can take double dollar sign. A naught is equal to 1 by pi integral f of x dx from minus pi to pi. To display 1 by pi, we'll use fraction. Fraction 1 by pi. Integral f of x dx. Integral, the lower limit is minus pi to pi, f of x dx, and close it with the double dollar sign. We can also use square brackets, and a subscript n is equal to 1 by pi integral, lower limit is minus pi to pi, cos nx dx. B subscript n is equal to fraction integral f of x sine nx dx. Let's complete the document using end document and run. Here we see that these expressions are in line with the text, while these expressions are in display mode, that is, they have been displayed in the separate lines.